What exactly does the 230V/208V outlet look like? My old AC outlet has one round hole at the bottom and two horizontal openings above.
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I'm here to answer any of your electrical questions. That would be a 240-volt receptacle, but it is always best to check the voltage, as I have seen some people install the wrong cord and just install that outlet to match.
My current AC outlet has one hole at the bottom and two horizontal slots above that. What voltage is that?
If they are horizontal, both slots, then it's 240. At least the receptacle is, but like I said, you're going to want to test it with a meter.
I have a choice of getting an AC with 115V or the same one with a 208V/230V. Which one should I get?
That is completely up to you. I would check the voltage and get whatever my voltage is, since the voltage is already there. This way you don't have to rewire anything.
How come there is no simple answer here? I just want to be told which AC to get which fits my available outlet. I am so confused. Is there no simple answer?
Do you know which breaker controls the outlet?
No. Are the breakers in that box by the front door apt? Will that tell me?
If you want me to guide you in the wrong direction, I could give you a real simple answer. But if you want good dependable information, I need information from you. Can you take the receptacle apart and look at the wires and tell me what colors they are? Does the panel in your apartment say AC on the panel, indicating which breaker controls it?
No. I know you were trying to help, and I'll give you a happy face for sure. I just think I'm not savvy enough to understand all this. Thanks for trying to help me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.